Mechanical Engineering Technology, which is offered at the St. John campus. Some of the topics in this program include communications, mathematics, fluids and piping, HVAC, and thermodynamics. Also studied are applied physics and materials courses, quality assurance and management, and there are also courses that deal with design and manufacturing. The program is delivered over 2 years from September to June each year. There is a final project at the end using the knowledge you've learned. Your first fall term includes these courses. The first winter term has these courses. The shorter spring term has these courses in your first year. Your second year fall term, you study these courses. Your second winter term, you study these. And this is where your senior technical report commences. And then your final term has these courses, and this is where your senior technical report is evaluated. After graduation, typical careers are in drafting, quality assurance, estimating, and then after some experience, grads will often move into design, project management, and finally, if they so choose, they can advance into supervision and management positions. Typical employers or industries METs work in are construction, manufacturing, consulting, HVAC, or technical sales. Over 90% of graduates are working within 1 year in New Brunswick in their field. Typical salary ranges. Graduates are eligible and encouraged to receive the Professional Technologist designation from the New Brunswick Society of Certified Engineering Technicians and Technologists. Benefits of the MET program include the broad range of jobs and industries available to choose from. Being a technologist also gives you increased opportunities for advancement. As well, the program is nationally accredited, giving you the ability to have your diploma recognized and be able to work anywhere in Canada. If you have questions, we can set you up with an instructor to get those answered, and we look forward to seeing you in September.